Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be going over my expenses so far for the month of February. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, sweeties. Before I begin this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. I'm so happy, so grateful that you guys are here. And the ones that's been rocking and rolling me this whole time, I'm so grateful for your continued support. And also, the ones who have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. All right, sweeties. Those of you guys that are new watching my channel, I want to let you guys know that over here, I do cash stuffings, expense check-ins, saving challenges, happy mail unboxing. I do a little bit of vlogging, and I also do budgeting. My goals is to save as much as I can and become debt-free. All right, sweeties, how are you guys all doing? Hope you guys all doing well. Me, honey, I'm doing well. So, sweeties, so far, everything has been going pretty good. I've been doing the usual, binge watching you guys' videos. I've been on TikTok, Instagram, you know, that kind of thing. And guess what, y'all? I am so excited, and I want to give thanks to all of you guys. Guess why? You guys made it possible for me to have 1,500 subscribers. Yay, you guys! I am super excited about that, you guys. So guess what? Now that I am over 1,500 subscribers, I am going to be doing a giveaway. But, sweeties, the giveaway is going to be, I'm going to do it next month because this month is kind of a little bit busy and hectic this month for me. So next month, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, you guys. I am so appreciative. I'm so thankful, and I love all of you guys for supporting my channel and just being here, you know, watching my videos, subscribing, you know, making comments. I really appreciate all of you. So, sweeties, I hope you guys have a beautiful Valentine's Day. And me, my fiance, and I, we're going to be going next week. We're going out to dinner. The reason why is because since Valentine's Day, you know, falls on a Wednesday and it's during the work day, it's going to be a little bit difficult for us to maneuver. So we already made plans and reservations for next week. We're going to be going out to the Texan Brazilian restaurant. That's his favorite restaurant. That's mine too, y'all. We love that place. And so I am super excited to go next week. So, sweeties, I hope you guys have a fun, safe, and awesome, happy Valentine's Day. All right, sweeties. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out my calendar here. This is the calendar that I use to track all my expenses for those of you guys that are new. I'm going to open it up to the month of February. And so here we are. This is February. So once again, you guys, the ones that are new, I like to keep track of all my expenses because that really helps me to, stop shopping so much, y'all. I'm telling you, I was shopping. I'm not kidding. I was shopping constantly. I'm talking about almost every day, y'all. But, you know, I've calmed down a lot, and I'm very proud of myself. So, sweeties, not only do I keep track of my expenses, I also do a no-spend saving challenge. So, sweeties, this month, my no-spend goal is to have 15 no-spend days, and each one of those days are worth $1 each. All right, sweeties, so what we're going to do is we are going to go over for February that we have so far of our expenses and, you know, our no-spend days. All right, sweeties, so let's start with the first. On the first, we had a no-spend. On the second, I went to the Dollar Tree, and I didn't do too bad. I only spent $5.32. On the third, guess what, y'all? I went right back to the Dollar Tree. And I also went to the store that's next to the Dollar Tree. It's called Classmate. And so that store is kind of like a teacher store, and it's actually closing. So they had like some items was 40. It was like 40, between 40 and 70% off. I just bought a couple of things, y'all. So I didn't do too bad on that day. My whole total bill was $12.18. So guess what, y'all? I did good on the 4th, 5th, and 6th. All 3 days in a row, no spend. On the 7th, I went to Trader Joe's, and next to Trader Joe's, I just walked over to Office Depot, and so that day I spent $16.56. On the 8th, I went to Hobby Lobby and Chick-fil-A. My total bill that day was $22.12. On the 9th, I had a no spend. On the 10th, y'all, I went to several different stores, but I didn't do too bad, y'all. I didn't do too bad with spending. So, sweeties, I went to Walmart, Target, Bath and Body Works. Well, Bath and Body Works, I went there, but I don't even know why I wrote it down, because I went there and I ended up having, you know, like a free item. And so I ended up getting a lotion. So I don't even know why I even wrote that down, y'all. But anyway, I had went to Five Below and Hobby Lobby. My total bill that day was $24.41. And you guys, the next 3 days I did awesome. On the 11th, 12th, and 13th, I had all 3 no-spend days. So, sweeties, I am going to count now to see how many no-spend days that I have so far. Now, remember, my goal this month is to have 15 no-spend days. All right, sweeties, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay, sweeties! So far, I have 8 no-spend days, and I think I'm doing pretty good, y'all. I'm proud of myself. So, sweeties, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my calendar on the side here. And I'm going to, let's see. I'm going to take out my no-spend calendar, challenge that I have. And so, sweeties, I keep it in this beautiful binder. This binder is a zodiac sign binder, and this is a Gemini, and I am a Gemini. And so, sweeties, if you guys are interested in this beautiful binder, you guys can find this perfect, beautiful item on Soul Mama's Gift. You guys, I have the link in my description box below. The name used to be called Soul Mama Rituals and Crafts, but now it is called Soul Mama Gifts. And so it's in my description box again below. And what it is whenever time you purchase anything from that particular company, I will get a small commission. All right, sweeties. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up. This is the no spend. Uh-oh, sweetie, sorry for shaking the camera. So, sweeties, this is my no spend challenge that I have. And so what I'm going to do is I have my pink marker. I'm going to color everything in pink. So, any of the no spend days that I have, I'm going to color in. So, remember, so I have 8 no spend days, and so I'm going to color the dates in. All right, sweetie, so I hope I can, you know, fit everything in the camera. All right, sweetie, so on the 1st, I have a no-spend day, so I'm going to color the 1st in. All right, sweetie, so the next days that's no spend, we have the 4th, 5th, and 6th, so I'm going to color those dates in. And the 5th. Y'all, sorry for making that noise. It's squeaky. I don't know why. And we color in the 6th. All right, sweetie. So the next days, it is the 9th. I'm going to color in the 9th. And let's see. Maybe I'm pressing down too hard, y'all, when I'm coloring it in. Maybe that's why I was making so much noise. I did it light this time. All right, sweetie. So the next no spend days are the 11th, 12th, and 13th. So let's color those dates in. And so let's start with the 11th. And let's do the 12th. Oops, I'm pressing too hard again. All right, sweeties, and the 13th. All right, sweetie, so I'm going to count to make sure these are 8 days. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, okay. I colored all the dates in. And so, sweeties, I didn't want to be too long on this video. I just want to stop in and let you guys know how I'm doing on my no spins. And I also wanted to thank all of you guys for being here for me and, you know, supporting my channel. And I'm so thankful that I have now over 1,500 subscribers. And once again, I'm going to do that giveaway. It's going to be next month, you guys. So, sweeties, that is all that I have for you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications for my video uploads. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my videos, and I will see you in my next one.